How to download O2 Venue app. So if you want to download O2 Venue app, then first of all you need to check your internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you might find some problems while downloading or while installing. So first check your internet connection. After checking that, now you can simply open up your Play Store or your App Store. And now here on the upper side you will have the search bar. Simply tap on the search bar and then search for O2 Venue app. And after searching, here you will have the application. Simply tap on the application and then you will have install option. So if you want to download and if you want to install the application, then simply tap on install, and it may take some time to download depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection. And after downloading, now you will have the open option on the right side. You can simply tap on that open and now it will take you to the application. So that's it. Now you can simply choose your tickets or have access to all of your tickets. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.